first, technically, practice.
I wasn't here yesterday.
We had an extra practice yesterday for our first practice. But
I'm already. I know.
we got Taylor and Chloe over here.
Hi guys.
Do something.
Callie, they were gonna do something cool.
What is cool? Oh, we're not really warmed up, so.
I saw you warm up.
You don't need a warm up.
It's gonna be beautiful. Yeah. Wow, period.
Okay. I'm taking off my mask real quick. Hi, my name's Callie. I'm a flyer. Yeah, I love Paige. Kisses.
Say your name.
My name? Oh, I'm D'Anthony.
I can't breathe.
Hey y'all. Yes,
yourself?
it's Shane.
I thought it was
I'm
me.
upside down.
No, you're not.
I'm not anymore. Hey y'all, it's me, Shane. How y'all doing? Been here all day.
Hi guys, I'm Sophia.
Nugget.
I'm Nugget.
Sweet Pea. Introduce yourself.
Why am I upside down?
Okay.
I'm Sweet Pea.
I'm the other Sophia. There's 3 Sophias.
Well, y'all have already met me. I'm D'Anthony.
down?
AKA
It's the chocolates of Gunsmoke.
Megan's no baby.
AKA Tay Money, AKA Big Body Beans.
Wow.
Okay, let's co-ed. The boys are in the back co-eding.
Is that better? I don't need your help. I got you. I don't need your help.
The boys are doing their thing. And Paige is doing her thing.
Alright, y'all got it.
Yes, Paige!
Mine doesn't do it. Video me next time.
I will. Good. Where's the Cupid? Taylor. Yeah, Shane. Oh shoot.
Y'all better watch out for Gunsmoke this year. 2020, 21, 20. Yeah, 21 Gunsmoke.
That's what we're going for. You see that banner over there?
No, we're not going there.
Say hi, vlog.
Hi vlog. Hey, I look like I'm sick.
Hey, here's a general.
I sit upside down.
This is say your name. Hi, I'm Megan.
Girl, I don't know.
Hi, I'm Lexi. Oh yeah. Oh god. But you should put your mask on. Oh.
Like that.
This is the Sydney Seabach. I'm staying at Sydney's house for like a week straight. Saturday and Thursday. The icon right here. Icon. Queen.
Sydney
Tumbling
Seabach,
icon.
battle in the arena.
And I'm the youngest for the 2nd year in a row.
Oh.
And she has a full whip double.
A double whip double.
8th grade.
Her Infinity Gen Next Legend.
McKenna. You gotta say hi, my name's Hannah.
I was on Colonel Queens.
Colonel Queens. Marley's not social distancing. She has no mask. Hold up, we gotta get that. Clickbait. Wait, me.
She got a concussion.
No, yeah. For practice, I got a concussion.
Y'all, I did a double from front to back and I over-rotated and rolled out straight onto the concrete.
I've been Austin over there too. Oh yeah, Austin. I want to say hi. I haven't said hi yet. Austin died on the floor. Austin, how's your Achilles?
Huh? No, it's not my Achilles. It's my good ankle now. Hey y'all. Hey vlog.
Elena, Paige, Stupid, Sydney, McKenna. How are y'all today?
We're sweating.
I'm hot.
This is Nugget, Sophia, Lexi, Stupid.
Oh my god, you're actually vlogging?
Yeah. D, how are you thinking of our first practice?
Amazing.
What did we do today?
A lot of tumbling routines, almost a full out.
Now what are we doing?
Stunt,
What's your favorite word for today? What would you describe today?
a push.
A push. So you heard it here first. This is my baby. This is my daughter on the team. Oh my gosh. Can you record our handshake? We'll just hold it. Hold it. Ready? No, this way. Right there. Ready? Go. This is the little people group. Hi. Except me. And this is no handshake. Ready? I'm not little. But I'm not. Is it on you?
It's okay, you're temporary.
Ram. Okay. They're about to go. Yeah. Come on.
Hi guys. We messed up on our stunt. So after Callie goes, this is one
describe practice today?
Intense. It's
Intense?
hot. No one can breathe.
No,
but you
these
know
masks
what?
are not it.
We gotta do what we gotta do.
You heard it here first.
1, 3, 5.
This is one of our all-girl stunt groups, our only all-girl stunt group.
all-girl stunt group.
They're really good. Shady! This is Austin. Oh, our light just went out. Austin got some new tattoo.
Does it hurt?
Not really. I mean, when somebody smacks it, it does.
Yeah, pyramid.
Yeah. Oh. We're not gonna talk about it.
Oh, that's what those are? I didn't know I had that.
So he broke his wrists. Wait. Look at his eyebrows. They're so good.
Oh my god, this is low-key iconic.
Wait, can I do it?
Y'all, I was on a team with her sister, and now I'm on a team with her. 2 wild sisters down out of the 3. That's
Dude, Chloe's been on a team with all 3.
That's iconic.
Hey, can I do it? Say your name. That's Aubrey. That's Aubrey. That's Julian, the short one.
Hey guys,
Is it on me? Yeah. I haven't done anything all practice. It's okay though. My back.
Yeah, this mask is terrible.
Not gonna show it. That's Jen's over there.
I was trying to work the camera.
Oh, there it says recording.
Hey guys.
Gunsmoke! Y'all, we dying today.
Breaking a sweat.
We're doing it, our stunt 2 more times and then pyramid.
we need a
Yeah, 2 more. It's just sitting my side base. What a queen.
The Grant Jost, 2-time Battle in the Arena Grand Champion. Also, Queen Ari, Black Ops Center Fly.
Gunsmoke was the bomb.
He wasn't watching this.
Wait, for real?
Oh, it's not focused.
Oh!
He tumbles into the splits. That's about it. It's actually a fake split though.
It's been like 8 years.
Exposing him. There's Matt. He's a pretty good stunter.
Not tumbling. Not tumbling.
No.
Tumbler, that's the better.
How would you describe practice today?
Well, since Miss Rona is going on, this mask is really hard to cheer with, but it's all right.
Jay missed it.
Hey, look, it's Callie Reese at Callie Reese.
No, I'm pop tag.
You know what? I forgot what I was gonna say. Bye, guys. Watch Gunsmoke this year.
This concludes Gunsmoke's first practice.